Hello guys, welcome to GMO TV. So today I just wanna share you something a little bit important or update sa buhay ko kasi it's been a while na since nakapag-upload ako ng video kasi medyo busy sa work, sa training, and then recently I've experienced something really I'm really unfortunate kasi affected talaga yung buong lifestyle ko, and then especially sa pagtulog ko. So the thing is, I've experienced this ringing in my ear dito banda, dito. Experienced it, yung parang cricket cricket sound, parang maraming cricket sound, and then yung dead air, parang dead heartbeat, yung parang ganon yung naririnig ko. I've started experiencing this last Friday and up until now, and it cost my sleep kasi hindi ako nakakatulog ang 2 oras, sa pilitan pa talaga yung 2 oras. So sobrang pagod na yung katawan ko. Prior na nangyari yon, 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks before nangyari yon, I got something infection, or like smell a discharge, parang bungog sa term sa amin sa Bisaya, parang ganon. So every day I cleaned it with cotton buds, which advisable na hindi dapat gawin kasi parang na ano, kasi parang touch yung eardrum. And then 2 weeks before ko na experience yung pagbuzz ng buzzing sound sa ear ko, okay siya. But then nung a day before nagbuzz ito, hindi ako nakatulog, and I don't know, maybe na numatake yung insomnia ko. And then nung kinagabihan, doon din siya nag-start yung buzzing sound na narinig ko. So from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and so up until now it's Friday, I wasn't able to sleep that much, mga 1-2 oras pa sa pilitan. So nagpa-check up ako nung Wednesday dito sa may hospital. Nirecommend lang kasi ako, sabi kasi doon na may same cases na nangyari sa kanya, and then doon siya nagpa-check up doon sa doktor, and then she was given a medication to take, and then nag-take siya, medyo umukay yung situation ng ear niya. So nagtry ako doon, yati sobrang kamahal, pero okay lang, so at least na doon ako pumunta kasi nirecommend naman siya. Then sabi ng doktor, findings na some infection in my ear, and then inside medyo parang nabutas daw konti yung eardrum ko. Then the buzzing sound is I don't know, I could not really swallow or absorb everything na lahat ng sinabi nito, kasi parang bangag ako kasi walang tulog. Alam mo naman, pag ilang araw kang walang tulog, ano namang parang hindi ka masyadong absorb ng mga information outside. So ganun, but overall naintindihan ko is there's some infections. I was given a medication to take as well. Ewan ko kung ano yung grabe nung binigyan ako ng reseta ng doktor, kasama yung mga ano pa sa ilong, sa sinus ko, kasi affected daw yung sinus ko. And as well, sinabihan ko din na makatulog, so I was given medication all in all. So tinota lahat yung medication, umabot siya ng 11,000. Diyos ko Lord, asan man ako na ako makuha ng ganyan. So ganun, but hindi ko siya kinuwalat, tinitingi ko kasi wala akong pera. Hindi ko posible kung kukunin ko lahat yun kasi hindi naman kailangan. Parang nagkamali ata yung doktor dun sa isang medicine. But anyway, ano lang, parang pinaprioritize ko yung antibiotic para sa infection. So from the date na tinake ko siya nung Wednesday night, I'm not sure if there's any changes, parang wala. So I don't know, try ko siya up until 2 weeks. If not, then I'm not really sure kasi mahal kasi yung doktor na pinachikapan ko doon, pa kasi pumunta ako doon. But anyway, I will see if how it goes dun sa dito sa medication na tinitake ko ngayon, and hopefully okay siya. So it's been like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, today's Friday, so bali mga dalawang araw pa lang from the date I took the medicine. I have searched online and marami akong nakikita, and then one thing that that caught my attention dun sa tinatawag nilang tinnitus, which I was really disturbed and scared and afraid and worried, and inawang ko kung ano man nararamdaman ko, kasi they said that tinnitus doesn't have any cure or it's permanent, and I don't want to live a life with, you know, with the noise in my ear ang panghabang buhay. So I was really scared, and I hope hindi siya ganun sa case na to, and it's just an infection, and magiging okay siya with in terms of, you know, medication and other form of healing healing stuff out there. But I believe and have faith in God na it will not get worse. So right now nararamdaman ko is feel very tired. Gusto ko matulog pero hindi ako makatulog. I don't know if it's because of this ringing in my ear, but yung buzzing sa ear ko, part na yun bakit hindi ako makatulog. So I've tried taking sleeping pills. Hindi naman siya sleeping pills, parang pang ano ba, like antihistamine, and then parang sleeping herbal tea, something like that, and anti-insomnia, and unfortunately hindi siya gumana, and I feel really tired. Gusto ko na matulog ng like 8 hours para ma-compensate yung mga araw na hindi ako nakatulog. So right now may nagbabas pa rin dito. Pag medyo maingay yung konti yung paligid, hindi naman siya masyadong narinig, hindi ko masyadong napapansin. So I would like to ask if there are people or Filipinos na nagsasuffer din ng ganito and what you guys did. Please let me know in the comment section. Share your experience, guys, if you have cured this tawag dito, hindi ako namatay yung parang ganitong sitwasyon. If you guys found a solution or treatment or cure for this, please share it with me, because I want to sleep. I don't know what happened. So I guess that's all for this video. See you guys next time. I will try to update you guys from time to time about this this buzzing sound or ringing or whatever, one klase, kasi na minsan nasa-stress na ako. So thank you guys, and see you next time. Once again, thank you for watching GMO TV, and may you all have a wonderful day. God bless you all, stay safe, and see you guys next time. Peace out.